in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable large print mode on your Kobo Libra 2. So in order to do that, we'll need to press on the More button, which is located in the bottom right corner of our screen. Simply click on it, and from here go for the beta features. Now here enable large print mode, and you'll be able to also change the scale of the font. So for example, let's make it very big like that, but you need to give it a while to refresh, and you can customize it however you want. And if you don't want it anymore, you can disable it the same way as you enabled it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.